Hi students, welcome to Evershan Coaching Center. Myself Faisal Salim. Today we are going to continue the chapter Coordinate Geometry. In this topic we are going to discuss about the problems based on midpoint formula and section formula. Take on the first question. First question. Find the coordinates of the midpoint of line segment joining the points 4, 1 and 2, 7. See children, in this you have to notice one thing which is very important. What is the question here? Find the coordinates. We have to find the coordinates. Okay? Of whom? Of midpoint. Remember this. It means we have to use midpoint formula. अगर से क्वेश्चन में midpoint करने का वर्ड इस्तेमाल करता है बेटा तो कौन सा फॉर्मूला इस्तेमाल करना? Midpoint formula इस्तेमाल करना. Midpoint of line joining the points 4, 1 and 2, 7. Is this clear? Good. Now what is the midpoint formula we have? That is P of x, y is equals to x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. This is called as midpoint formula. Is this clear? P of x, y is equals to x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. We can see here, first is x1 plus x2 by 2, this is x coordinate. y1 plus y2 by 2 is second coordinate. If you want, what you can do, you can just write that as P of x is equals to x1 plus x2 by 2. This is x coordinate. Y coordinate, P of y is equals to y1 plus y2 by 2. This is y coordinate. This is clear? Now, we have to find the midpoint. See, as we all know it, this is A and this is B. And exact center, this is P. This one is nothing but P. So, this is P of x, y. This is x of x1, y1. B of x2, y2. What do you mean by midpoint? देखो बेटा ये P जो है, ये से P को जो डिस्टेंस है, B से P को भी उतना ही डिस्टेंस है, लाइक इक्वी डिस्टेंस. दोनों के बीच में जो पॉइंट है, that is P. We are finding this P coordinate. We are finding the coordinate of P. Are you getting? Good. Now we assume this 4, 1. First coordinate as A. We can assume this as A. So this is nothing but x1, y1. And next is B. What is B? 2, 7. This is x2, y2. Can we write this? P of x, I will assume this as x. We are finding x coordinate is equals to, what is x1? 4 plus x2, 2 by 2. 4 plus 2, 6 by 2. That is 2 1s are 2 3s are. So what is the value of x? Same y coordinate. Y is equals to, y1 is 1 plus y2 is 7 by 2. 1 plus 7, 8 by 2. That's nothing but 4. So what is the value of y? 4. So what is our final answer? Therefore, P of x, y, this is midpoint. Midpoint, if you want, you can write this as midpoint. Therefore, midpoint P of x, y is equals to 3, 4. This is our final answer. Is this clear? Understood? You have to use midpoint formula. x1 plus x2 by 2. This is x coordinate. y1 plus y2 by 2 is y coordinate. So find x separate, find y separate. Then that's nothing but x, y. I hope you all have understood this problem. Let me solve next question number 2. Next question. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining the points 4, minus 3 and 8, 5 in the ratio 3:1 internally. See children, what does it mean? So we have got two coordinates A, B. Okay, A और B दो coordinates है बेटा. A के coordinate की values क्या बेटा? 4, minus 3. And what is the coordinates of B? 8, 5. This A and B is dividing by the point which is called as P. P करने का point क्या कर रहा बेटा? AB को divide करना. P is dividing the line AB. How? Like for example, we have two brothers. दो भाई आए हैं, दो brothers हैं. एक भाई को क्या हुआ? Property अब बाकी जो प्रॉपर्टी थी, फादर्स प्रॉपर्टी, it has went 3 parts, and for one more brother it has went 1 part. Understood? In the total property, 3 parts has went to first brother, one part has went to second brother. Here also the system is like this. So this P is dividing, you can see here P is coming here, P of x comma y. From A to P we can take this as 3 parts, because it is dividing the ratio how much? 3:1. So this is 3 parts. Again B to P is 1 part. That is nothing but 3:1. जरा समझ में आया? A to P को क्या बोल रही? 3 parts. And one is P to B. See, whenever you get the word called as 3:1 ratio, जब भी अगर से क्वेश्चन में रेशियो दिया जाता बेटा, then that is section formula. Remember this logic. Whenever they are asking you to find the ratio, or they have given the ratio, they are asking to find the ratio, or they have given the ratio, which formula we should use? Section formula. Is this clear? Now what is the section formula we have? That is P of x comma y is equals to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2, comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. This is nothing but section formula. In most of the textbooks, they have taken m1 as m and m2 as n. In most of the textbooks, they will use m is to n. They will use the ratio not as m1 is to m2. They will take it as m is to n. Both are one and the same. Those people will use mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus n by 1 by m plus n. But here we use m1 is to m2. Is this clear? Now let me take the data. What is A coordinate? 4 comma minus 3. What is B coordinate? 8 comma 5. Okay. So this is x1, this is y1, this is x2 and this is y2. This AB is dividing with the point P. With the point P. In the ratio what? In the ratio 3:1. That is nothing but m1 is to m2 is equals to 3:1. So this is nothing but m1 and this part is nothing but m2. m1 is to m2. Any doubts? So this is data. Now what we should find? We have to find the coordinates of the point which divides, which is dividing A and B. That is P of x comma y. This P is dividing AB in the ratio 3:1. Any doubts? Good. Now if you want, you can do separate calculation. If not, you can do complete in the same step calculation. देखो बेटा, x को separate solve करो, y को separate solve करो. If not, solve x and y both simultaneously. Got it? If you want x, what we should do? P of x is equals to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. Okay, this is x coordinate. m1, what is the value of m1? 3. Can you see this? This is m1, this is 3. This is m1 value. m2 is 1. Just substitute, that's it. m1 is 3, x2 8 plus m2 1, x1 4 by m plus n 3 plus 1, 8 3s are 24 plus 4 1s are 4 by 3 plus 1 4, 24 plus 4 28 by 4, 4 1s are 4, 7s are 28. Correct? So what is x value? That is 7. So this is x coordinate. Got it? Same way find y. So what we should do? P of y is equals to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Got it? So this is x value and this is y value. m1 3, y2 5 plus m2 1, y1 minus 3 by m1 plus m2 3 plus 1, 3 5s are 15 plus into minus, minus 3 ones are 3, 3 plus 1 4, 15 minus 3 12 by 4, that's nothing but 4 ones are 4 threes are. So what is the value of y? The value of y is 3. So therefore p of x comma y, this is a point, it divides the line AB in the ratio 3:1. That is p of x comma y is equals to 7 comma 3. This is our final answer. Is this clear? I hope you all have understood this problem. Let me solve next one more problem. See children, this question number 3. In what ratio? That is m1 is to m2. In what ratio does the point 2 comma 5 divides the line segment joining the points a of minus 6 comma 2 and b of minus 3 comma minus 5? देखो बेटा इसमें क्या पूछ रहा है क्वेश्चन में? So this is a and this is b. What is the coordinates of a? Minus 6 comma 2. Coordinates of b? 3 comma minus 5. This AB is dividing with the point P of 2 comma 5. Now here he has given P coordinate. Now he is asking this P is dividing AB in what ratio? It means how much is M1 and how much is M2. He is asking us to find M1 is to M2. In what ratio? Means M1 is to M2 value we should find. Got it? Now the coordinates of A is minus 6 comma 2. That's nothing but x1 y1. And coordinates of B are 3 comma minus 5. That's nothing but x2 y2. So P of 2 comma 5, that is nothing but x y. That is x comma y. Okay. Here also see ratio he has given or he has given or he is asking, that is secondary. But ratio word if you see, we have to use section formula. So what is the section formula we have? That is P of x comma y is equals to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. So this is nothing but section formula. Okay. Now what is x coordinate? P of x is equals to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. Okay. Now substitute the values. X, what is the value of x? 2. Can you see here? This is x 2 is equals to m1 we don't know. Keep it as it is. Into x2 3 plus m2 we don't know. x1 minus 6 by m1 plus m2. Now can we cross multiply this m1 plus m2 into 2? So it becomes 2 into m1 plus m2 is equals to m1 into 3 3m1 plus into minus minus m2 into 6 6m2. Got it? Now 2 into m1 2m1 plus 2 into m2 2m2 is equals to 3m1 minus 6m2. Okay. Now what we do, we take m1 terms one side and m2 terms another side. Okay. So what we can do here now, 2m1 plus 3m1 come this side, minus 3m1 is equals to minus 6m2 plus 2m2 come this side, minus 2m2 minus 2m2. Into can we subtract 3? No. Minus 3 minus 2 1m1 is equals to minus 6 minus 2 minus 8. If both are minus we should add. Minus 6 minus 2 minus 8 m2. Now this minus and this minus get cancelled. Both the side minus minus get cancelled. Now take m1 m2 terms one side, constant terms other side. So what happens now? m1 by m2 is equals to 8. Now m2 I have brought to the LHS side. So it has become divided m2. Here nothing is there means 1 is there. So therefore we can say that m1 is to m2 is equals to 8 is to 1. Okay. If you want you can take x coordinate and you can solve. If not you can take y coordinate. No need to solve another time. Either from x or y. In case if you are getting some difficulty in x coordinate, leave x there itself. Try to solve by y coordinate. Is this clear? x में कुछ difficult हो रहा बेटा steps में, कुछ unknown मिल रही है, ज्यादा complex है, तो leave x, take y and solve y from the QB. Understood? No need to take both x and y and you have to solve this problem. Got it? So this is a way we have to solve this problem. That is how to find the ratio. Okay? Thank you. Next question. Find the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line segment joining the points a of 2, -2 and b of -7, 4. It's very simple question. See here carefully. He is asking us to find the coordinates. Coordinates को ढूंढना है, ठीक है बेटा? लेकिन कौन से coordinate ढूंढना है? Which coordinates we have to find? That is of trisection. Now, what do you mean by trisection? Trisection is nothing but a line which is, the line segment which is dividing into 3 equal parts. The line segment which is dividing the line into 3 equal parts. Like this. Example, as we all knows it, this is A and this is B. This AB is divided by 3 equal parts. Let me say this is P and this is Q. Understood? A to P, P to Q, Q to B. This is nothing but 3 equal parts. This is called as trisection. Okay, beta? Now, which coordinates we have to find? We have to find the coordinates of P of x comma y and Q of x comma y. We have to find the coordinates of P and Q. P की जगह में क्या आता और Q के coordinates क्या? That is what we have to find. We have to find the coordinates of P and Q. तो पहले हमें क्या करना बेटा? Q नहीं है समझिए. We have to think Q is not there. So P is the midpoint. Just you think A, B and P. Solve the problem by using section formula. Then again A, B, Q. Solve Q. You will get easily. So in what ratio they are dividing? We all know it. Trisection means it is dividing into 3 equal parts. Yes or no? From A to P is 1 part. P to Q is 1 part. 1 plus 1, 2 parts. Q to B, 3 parts. So now what we do? So this is the exact question. Now what we have? Now we take the question like this. A, B and I will take only P. I am going to take only P. Now A to P how many parts? 1 part. Correct? P to B how many parts? Can you see this figure? Can you see this figure? P to B how many parts are there? 2 parts. बेटा समझ में आया? See, A, B, P is 1 part, Q is 1 part. This is 1, this is 1, this is 1. Got it? So this is P and this is Q. A to P how many parts? 1 part. From P to B how many parts? 1 plus 1. That is 2 parts. So it is dividing. P is dividing AB into what ratio? 1 is to 2. P is dividing AB in the ratio 1 is to 2. So here we take the question in this form. Okay. Now I will take M1 is to M2 is equals to 1 is to 2. Got it? Now what are the coordinates of A? The coordinates of A are what? 2, -2. B coordinates -7, 4. So A is 2, -2. That is nothing but x1, y1. So B coordinates are -7, 4. That's nothing but x2, y2. Got it? Now just let me write the section formula. What is section formula? P of x, y is equals to P of x, y is equals to M1 x2 plus M2 x1 by M1 plus M2. Just write only one time formula, enough. Comma M1 y2 plus M2 y1 by M1 plus M2. This is section formula. Now I will take x coordinate. I will take only which coordinate? X coordinate. ठीक है बेटा? That is P of x. होना तो y coordinate भी ले सकते हैं. Your wish. P of x is equals to M1 x2 plus M2 x1 by M1 plus M2. That is P of x, y. Correct? No? This is what? P of x, y. This is what we are going to find. So x I will write that as it, I will write x as it is equals to m1 is 1 into x2 minus 7 plus m2 is 2, x1 is 2 divided by m1 1 plus m2 is 2. Got it? Are you getting, children? See here. So this is x. This is x as it is. m1 is 1, x2 minus 7. This is x2. Got it? This is x1 plus y1 and this is x2 and y2. x2, y2, x1, y1. That's what just we are substituting those values. Again we can see x as it is. m1 is 1, x2 is how much? x2 value is minus 7 plus m2 is 2. x1 value is plus 2 by m1 plus m2 1 plus 2. That is equals to plus into minus is minus. 7 ones are 7 plus 2 twos are 4 divided by 2 plus 1 3. 4 minus 7. In 4 can we subtract 7? No. No means minus. 7 minus 4 is 3 divided by 3. That is minus 3 by 3. Correct? It get cancelled. Minus 1. So the value of x is minus 1. Same way can we find y. So p of y is equals to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. That is y is equals to m1 is 1, y2 is 4 plus m2 is 2, y1 is minus 2 divided by 1 plus 2 is equals to 1 4s are 4 plus into minus minus 2 2s are 4 by 1 plus 2 is 3. 4 minus 4 is 0 by 3. 0 by 3 is 0. So the value of y is 0. Now what is the coordinate of p? So therefore the coordinate of p, that is p of x comma y, is equals to minus 1 comma 0. So this is p of x comma y. This is nothing but p of x comma y. We have done this. Now same thing we have to do one more time. But here what we should take? Q. Here we have taken p, right? Now we should take q and so on. If you want, I will show you diagrammatically by using the figure. So this is A and this is B. Correct? AB is divided into how many equal parts? 3 equal parts because it is trisection. So where Q comes here. Now A to Q, how many parts are there? 2 parts. Correct? No? A to P is 1 part, P to Q is 1 part. 1 plus 1, 2 parts. So A to Q is now 2 parts and B to Q is 1 part. That's it. That's all the difference. Same thing now. M1 is to M2 is equals to 2 is to 1. That was 1 is to 2. Now it is 2 is to 1. Now coordinates of A. A coordinate is what? 2 comma minus 2. That's nothing but x1 y1. B coordinate is what? Minus 7 comma 4. That's nothing but x2 y2. Correct? No? Yes. Now again, if you want, you can write the formula. If not, no need to write. Just directly you can substitute. If you want, just you write it. Once again, p of x is what? m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. m1 value is 2, x2 is minus 7 plus m2 is 1, x1 is 2 by 2 plus 1. Plus into minus minus, 2 7s are 14. Plus into plus plus, 1 2s are 2 by 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. In 2 can we subtract 14? No. No means minus. 14 minus 2, 12 by 3. 3 1s are 3 4s are. So the value of x is minus 4. So this is x coordinate. Similarly y coordinate, p of y is equals to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. So this is x. Now this is y coordinate. So m1 2, y2 4 plus m2 1, y1 is minus 2 divided by 2 plus 1. 2 4s are 8 plus into minus minus 1 2s are 2 by 2 plus 1 is 3. 8 minus 2, 6 by 3. 3 1s are 3 2s are. So the value of y is plus 2. So we got the value of x and y. So now therefore q of x comma y is equals to minus 4 comma 2. So this is the coordinate of q. Hence we have found the value of p and the coordinates of p and q. So we have found the coordinates of p and q. I hope you all have understood this problem. In case if you are getting this type of question, most probably it can be asked for 3 marks. So it's very important question. Do not miss this question. Thank you. Next question. In what ratio does y-axis divides the line segment joining the points 5, minus 6 and minus 1, minus 4? Also find the coordinates of the point of intersection. Here what is saying, children? So as we all know it, so this is coordinate A and this is coordinate B. In what ratio does y-axis? In what ratio does y-axis? So what is the coordinate on y-axis? Coordinates of y-axis is what? So P of x value will be 0, y value will be present. Y value will be there, x is 0. So this is the coordinate on y-axis. समझे बेटा? y के पास p करने का एक पॉइंट है, उसके कोऑर्डिनेट्स क्या रहते हैं? 0, y. Got it? On y-axis, coordinates are 0, y. It divides the line segment joining the points A. What is the coordinates of A? 5, minus 6. And coordinates of B, minus 1, minus 4. So we can say that this is x1, y1 and this is x2, y2. In what ratio? That is m1 is to m2. We have to find m1 is to m2. That is first question. And second question is what? Also find the coordinates of the point of intersection. That is P. P of x, y also we have to find. So these are the two sub questions is been asked in this problem. Okay. First case, section formula, just you write the section formula. P of x, y is equals to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. Okay. Comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. So this is section formula. Correct? Now I take its coordinate. P of x, correct? P of x is equals to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. Okay? X. Do you have x? Yes. P of x, y is what? P of x, y is 0, y. So x value is 0, y value will be y value. Correct, no? Just let me substitute those values. I am going to take x is equals to, okay, m1. What is P of x? X value is what? 0. Let me substitute here itself. X is 0. m1 we don't know. Into x2 is minus 1. Plus m2 we don't know. x1 is 5 by m1 plus m2 by m1 plus m2. Now, shall we cross multiply? m1 into m2 into 0. What happens? If you want, you can write like this. 0 into m1 plus m2 is equals to plus into minus, minus m1 into 1 is m1. Plus into plus, plus m2 into 5, 5m2. 0 multiplied by anything is 0 is equals to minus m1 plus 5m2. Let me take m1 term separate, m2 term other side. Minus m1 come this side, plus m1 is equals to 5m2. Now what happens? m1 by m2 is equals to 5. Nothing is there in denominator, 1. So how much is m1 by m2? m1 by m2 is 5 by 1. Therefore, m1 is to m2 is equals to 5 is to 1. In what ratio they divides? They divides in the ratio 5 is to 1. So we have solved first question. Now second question. What is the second question? We have to find the coordinates. We should find the coordinates of point of intersection. Correct? No? You can see here we have to find x and y values. We have to find the values of x and y. How to find the values of x and y? Okay. See, already we know x is 0. Correct? No? Can you see here? In this case, x is 0. So no need to find x. So what we should find? Y. Correct नहीं बेटा? x की वैल्यू हमने ऑलरेडी पहले ही मालूम है कि 0 है, तो क्यों फाइंड आउट करना? We no need to find the value of x. So let me find the value of y. Same way, p of y is equals to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. बेटा इसके अंदर क्या करना है? In this what we have to do? One thing you should remember. Here we have to take m1 is to m2 value. What is m1 is to m2? 5 is to 1 we got, right? हाँ, that value we have to use here. अब इसके अंदर हमें क्या यूज करना बेटा? We have to use m1 is to m2 as 5 is to 1. Remember. समझ में आया बेटा? वो जो हमने मिली है m1 और m2 की वैल्यू उसे इधर सब्स्टिट्यूट करना to find the value of y. So p of y is nothing but y is equals to m1. What is the value of m1? 5 into y2 minus 4 plus m2 is 1. 5 is to 1. m1 is 5, m2 is 1. Into y1 is minus 6 divided by 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1. Now it's very easy, right? Is equals to plus into minus minus 5 4s are 20. Plus into minus minus 1 6 are 6 by 5 plus 1 6 minus 20 minus 6 minus 26 divided by 6. Correct? 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6 minus. So what is the value of y we can take? Minus 13 by 3. 3 and 13 will get cancelled? No. Minus 13 by 3. So this is the value of y. Okay. Now we can say that what is the point of what is the coordinates value? Therefore, p of x comma y is equals to 0 comma minus 13 by 3. So this is the coordinates value. X comma y value is 0 comma minus 13 by 3. I hope you all have understood this problem also. See children, these are the questions you can practice by yourself. In case if you are not finding the solution, you can ask me. I will clarify your doubt. Okay. See question number 6. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining a of 1 comma minus 5 and b of minus 4 comma 5 is divided by the x-axis. So what is the coordinates on x-axis? X comma 0. So p of x comma 0 you have to take. Same thing as what we did for y-axis. Also find the coordinates of the point of division. So by using x-axis m1 is to m2, substitute that. So you can find the value so that you can find the coordinates of p of x comma 1. Find the coordinates of a point A where AB is the diameter of a circle whose center is 2 comma minus 3 and B is 1 comma 4. Next, if A and B are minus 2 comma minus 2 and B and 2 comma minus 4 respectively, A and B, these are the two coordinates. Find the coordinates of P such that AP is equals to 3 by 7 AB and P lies on the line segment AB. Next, just you have to use the section formula itself. Just to proceed, you will get the answers. Don't worry. Use the condition. Next, find the ratio in which the point minus 1 comma k divides the line joining the points minus 3 comma 10 and 6 of minus 6 comma minus 8. You have to find the coordinates. 3 consecutive vertices of a parallelogram A of 1 comma 2 and B of 2 comma 3 and C of 8 comma 5. Find the fourth vertex. So you have to find the coordinate D. You have to find D of x comma y in this problem. Okay. So don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment this video, and wish you all the best of luck. Do well, and in the next video we are going to take the problems on area of triangle of coordinate geometry. Till here whatever we have discussed, I hope you all have understood this. So try to solve each and every problem of this, and if possible from the same topic you can use some other values and you can try for your convenience. Okay, wish you all the best of luck.